Off-Grid Arizona gardener here. So today we're gonna start on leafy greens indoors. I'm in zone 8A, Southeast Arizona, and today is August 27th. I'm gonna start this indoors using my 6 cell starting seedling containers. I love these containers because you could see through if it needs water or if it's root bound. But I'm gonna come with me and I'll show you how I start these. I typically use Happy Frog, but there was none available at the big box store when I was there this weekend, so I just got this organic in ground garden soil. I'm gonna be using this for my medium for starting my seeds. I'm gonna grab some of these and put it in this bucket. I'm gonna add a little bit water so it's a little bit moist. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So this soil, I think I like it. It's very fluffy. It doesn't have too much twigs for the little seedlings to sprout up. So we'll see how it grows, because this is definitely cheaper than Happy Frog and it looks good. So we'll see. I'm gonna put this in the bucket now, put a little bit of water, and show you the consistency. You don't want it to be too soggy, so let me show you that. I've added some water, and this is how you want your soil to look like for the little seedlings. You don't want it dripping, but you want it pretty moist. I'm gonna put it on these 6 cells. You don't want to pack it. You want it to have a little airflow on it, but you don't want too much airflow. So let me show you how I do that. Okay, so I did this so it taps down. I push just very slightly on the top, and this cell is good to go. All right, so I have about 6 cell trays prepared. So I'm gonna put about 2 to 3 seeds per cell, and once I complete that, then I put it under the grow light and wait till it sprouts. Greeny leaves should be sprouting anywhere from 5 to 14 days. So, and we will be transplanting these out in October. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this, and go ahead and plant your little garden, fall garden. It's very rewarding. Thank you.